I think this award today means more to me than any other award I've ever received, really. Coming from being born in Carmarthen and coming back to Carmarthen so often with my Welsh family and all around me all the time, it seems a great accolade to be given something from Carmarthen, the people from Carmarthen, University from Carmarthen, University of Wales. It's a fantastic accolade. The foundation is set up between my wife and I, and basically it's a charity which we are able to get surgeons from all over the world. They apply for scholarships and they get a scholarship. We pay for them to come to London to the Royal College of Surgeons, where we give them a week of training, give them as much experience as we possibly can, and then we send them back to their countries. But also if we go to conflict zones as well. So last year we went to the Syrian-Turkey border where we trained 63 Syrian surgeons. I went to Yemen and trained 43 surgeons. We went to the West Bank in February. Next week I'm going off to Gaza, and in 3 weeks after that I'm going off to Iraq. So it's training surgeons as much as we possibly can, disseminating as much war surgery knowledge which I've accrued over the last 25 years. So that's really what it's all about. And it's getting stronger and stronger, and people are recognising now that there's a certain very great need for war surgical training, especially in this country now as well, because of the things that are going on. People need to know how to react and surgeons need to know how to treat patients. And this is something I can give back as like a legacy. Developing a passion for something that you suddenly find something in your life that you really, really want to do, and you follow your heart rather than anything else. And it's that sort of passion that keeps you going, that wants you to do more and more and more, and it's unstoppable as well. You can't stop this passion once it starts going. And if it's a good passion, and if it's something that helps people, then I think that there are risks that one takes, and I was talking about risks today during the speech, but there are risks that you do need to take doing this sort of work. But you've just got to be careful and savvy and understand the environment you're in. But these are risks that are really worth it at the end of the day. It's wonderful being back, and I come back to Carmarthen as often as I possibly can. But it's a shame, as I was saying in my speech, my mother and father aren't here today, but they would have loved this. They really would have loved it.